In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted file and folder from your HDD, SSD, or USB flash drive easily in 2024. Here is my G drive. I have a folder named Others. I deleted the folder mistakenly. Folder file size around 43 GB. I also removed the file from the recycle bin. I want to recover those folders. Download and install EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. I already installed it. Open EaseUS Data Recovery. Select Recycle Bin, click Scan. It takes a few minutes to complete the scan. See Scan completed. Click Lost File, then click Deleted File. I searched. My folder name is Others. See here my lost folder. Select it and click Recover. Select your destination. Click Save. It takes a few minutes to complete it recovering. See Recover completed. See all file recovered successfully and working well. That's it. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.